So there's a bunch of cats breaking and entering, messing up the world. So the cats get in the house. There's some bad cats, some really naughty cats, some really bad cats. And the dog show. So I'm gonna do the dog show because the cats are gonna be breaking and entering. The cats broke in with the rats in them. They wanted like catnip. Then the cats wanted us to come around. See, supposed to be the dog show, but then the cats came back. A bunch of cats came over. They wrecked the dog show. Be the trashiest dog show. That's right, the police. There's all these cats and cats with the dog show. These cats and the dog show. Cats and the dog show. Cats. So, this is the dog show. But the dog, life is in words that couldn't be with me because the cats came over to mess up the dog show. True story.